Today, we're going to look at completing the worksheet. The worksheet demonstrates that the accounting system is working. If all of your journal entries are in balance, then the unadjusted trial balance and the adjusting entry columns will balance. The adjusted trial balance column net the unadjusted trial balance and the adjusting entry columns. Next, we're going to test to see if the adjusted trial balance is correct. And it will be correct if the debit and the credit are the same. Instead of adding this up on my calculator, I'll use Excel, equal sum, open parentheses. Then we go up to the first cell that we want to add, click and drag it down to the last cell, or else we could have typed in this example, equal sum G8 colon G20, close the parentheses and hit the enter key. 1180. Now I'm going to select that cell, and in the bottom right hand corner there's a little dot which I can now drag all the way across to the balance sheet. We copied over the formula that summed the columns. Now I extended the numbers from the adjusted trial balance to either the income statement or into the balance sheet. Debits remain debits, credits remain credits. I notice that the total in the income statement is not the same for the debit and credit. We have revenue of $6,000 and expenses of $1,300. So in this cell, I'm going to put in a formula, or I guess I could just put in the difference if you like, but equal the 6,000 minus the 1,300. So therefore the profit is 4,700. In order to make sure I did the math correctly, I'm going to add the two of them up. 1,300 plus 4,700. Is that equal to the 6,000? Yes, it is. So the net income is 4,700. Now, if the worksheet is going to work, then the articulation or the transfer from the income statement of the net income into the owner's equity must be the same. So what I'm going to do now is to test that. Let's see if the difference between 10,500 and 5,800 is also 4,700. Yes, it is. One last step. I'm going to add the 10,500 and I'm going to add the 5,800 plus the 4,700. See if that is also 10,500. Yes, my balance sheet is in balance, my income statement is in balance, and the net income of 4,700 is a debit in the income statement and a credit in the balance sheet. You can now continue to your financial statements. The video on completing the worksheet is over. Thank you.